How you doing? Welcome back to Life Jewels podcast with me, H, your life coach. Today we're going to talk about 4 words to help you manifest. So let's jump on in. Yeah, welcome back, man. It's good to see you guys. I have to hold the mic up because there's a lot of music playing on in the background. So if you hear that, cool, just enjoy it. If not, don't worry, I got you. Anyways, back up a little bit so you guys can see me clearly. That better? Cool. Listen, there's 4 words that you need in your life to help you manifest. And I'm going to tell you exactly what they are. They start with the letters P, B, A, and R. Ironically, they all rhyme as well. So, ready? Before we even get into all that, the first thing you need to do is understand that it all starts in the mind. Everything you do starts in the mind. Everything you do starts in the mind. If you think about starting this video, it started in the mind, and then I took action, right? If I started about uh, working out, I saw it in my head first, right? Everything, every idea, all these lights behind me, the conception behind them started in someone's brain. They envisioned it, they visualized it, they saw it, they worked on it, and then it came to life. So the first what? The first part of manifestation is very simple. You have to perceive, see it in your head, see it in your mind so vividly, so detailed that it's almost real. You know, the cool thing about the brain is that we have something called the reticular activating system. And it's the part of the brain that does not differentiate between what is real or what is imagined. So you could actually imagine an entire realm in your head, close these eyes, and see literally anything. And your brain cannot differentiate between what is real or fake. That's the cool part. So you can literally perceive a world that is not here yet and then bring it into fruition. So the first part of that is to perceive it. The next part is you have to go to your heart. You have to feel this thing, right? And so that's why the next part of this is belief. When you perceive and believe, I told you they're gonna rhyme. That's when you can start taking action. And when you start taking action, it's only after you believe it's possible. See, we think a lot of things, we perceive a lot of ideas, we perceive a lot of realms, but we don't always take action on it. And the reason behind we don't take action is because we don't always believe that it's going to work in our favor. A lot of the times we have 2 ways of perceiving. Your imagination can carry you in the realm of faith, or it can carry you in the realm of fear. Your faith will allow you to do things that you haven't seen before. Your fear will stop you from doing things because you believe the things you see in your head are real and keeping you from actually achieving the things you need to achieve. So that's the next one, achieve. I said it out loud. So you perceive, you see it in your mind, then you believe, and that's the feeling. You feel it deeply within you. You know it's almost a conviction. Conviction. It's convincing and it's conviction, right? So you convince yourself that this is a reality. And that's why you take action. You know that you're going to garner these results, and that's the best part about it all. So whatever you achieve will always be determined by what you believe, and that will be determined by what you perceive. Your beliefs are inherently determined by your subconscious upbringing. So until you consciously unwire and unlearn and relearn the program and paradigm and thought process that was given to you at birth by your environment, get through all that. That's another video. I have that somewhere else. Watch that another point. You have to be able to relearn, re-see, re-understand, re-perceive, re-believe, reset. All these things are already intrinsically within you. You have the power. Someone once said it's like a car being able to go 200 miles an hour. The only thing stopping you is the mental limitation making you stay at 30 miles an hour. And once you remove that parameter, once you remove that limitation, it's all mental. Once you remove it, you immediately, instinctively, easily jump to the next level. But there's other parameters that you still have to unlock. You still have to get through. You still have to reset and remove. So again, perceive, believe. That's how you achieve. And then you achieve enough times, it'll compound in your life and you will be able to receive what you want to manifest. It's all within you. I believe in you. I know you can do this. Now, if you like this content, if you feel like this was great, tell me down in the comments below what part resonated with you. What part have you been missing out on? Because this 4-step process is the easiest way to manifest. As always, Stay blessed and stay beautiful.